Assalamu alaikum. This is Kulsum Zehra, your mentor for the course of English grammar. A present perfect tense is a verb tense that usually talks about actions that were completed before some point in the past. For example, Jack had finished her homework. It means that Jack had finished her homework in the past. Thieves had broken into the flat, or I had already eaten my meal. The structure of a present perfect tense includes a subject plus had plus a past participle and an object. With all the subjects like I, we, you, they, he, she, it, singular or plural, we use had followed by a third form of verb like gone, seen, finished, etc. A past perfect tense is usually used to talk about something that happened before something else. Usually, we use a past tense to talk about something that happened in the past, like Sarah arrived at the party. And this is the starting point of the story. Then if we want to talk about things that happened before this time, we will use a present perfect tense. For example, when Sarah arrived at the party, Paul had already left. In this sentence, to tell that what happened before this time, we have used a past perfect tense. Similarly, Karen didn't want to go to the cinema with us because she had watched the movie. Let us have a comparison of a present perfect tense and a past perfect tense. A present perfect tense usually includes an action that was completed at a time before the present, and the results or consequences of the action are relevant now. It means that it includes an action that started in a past and the consequences of which can be found in the present. For example, the house is dirty. They haven't cleaned it for days. This part of the sentence, which is they haven't cleaned it for days, is a consequence of this. While on the other hand, a past perfect tense includes an action that was completed at a time before another action happened in the past, which means that something happened before something else was going to happen. Thank you so much. For more videos, do subscribe the channel.